Hey, welcome back again. I appreciate you stopping by. Much appreciated. Okay, we got an oldie but a goodie, and we're gonna flip it right on by you. Right, the Guess Who? Guess who? Guess who this is? The Guess Who? All right, Burton Cummings. What a band back in the day, back in the 70s, 80s. Man, these guys were fan-frickin-tastic. Yes, they were. All right, so this is going to be No Sugar Tonight, along with New Mother Nature. All right, and the Guess Who? All right, so hey, I appreciate it if you smash that like button and subscribe. Helps the channel. I do appreciate that. All right. I'm going to leave links to Guess Who's channel so that you can check them out on your own. All right, so anyway, let's roll on. The Guess Who? No Sugar Tonight, New Mother Nature. Here we go. Who that is? Bet you can't guess. I'm going to stop right there. You know who that guy is? That's Randy Bachman. Randy Bachman from Bachman Turner Overdrive. Baby, you ain't seen nothing yet. That's who that is. He was with the Guess Who in the beginning. Guessing this is about 20 years ago.
Lonely feeling deep inside. Find a corner where I can hide. Footsteps crowding me, silent darkness, but I can see. No sugar tonight in my coffee, no sugar tonight in my tea, no sugar.
Hey, look at here. Yo, Burton, he's wearing an Elvis shirt. He must be a proud supporter of Elvis Presley. I like that shirt. I'd like to have that, actually.
Stand beside me, no sugar to run with me. Knock it out down, knock it out, knock it out down, knock it out down, knock it out, knock it out down. In the silence of her mind, quiet movements where I can find. She's grabbing for me with her eyes. Now I'm falling from the skies. No sugar tonight in my coffee, no sugar tonight in my tea, no sugar to stand beside me, no sugar to run with me. Knock it out down, knock it out, knock it out down, knock it out down, knock it out, knock it out down.
Great acoustic sound.
John's in the yes and I believe I never talk about the things I say. That's not the way for the best of me. I'm never standing in each other's way. Turn back now to play
else.
Mother Nature taking over. That's all. That's all.
Nice little piano jam. Yeah, buddy. Who? Yeah, man. Whew. 70s. Man, I wish they were still here. I really do. All right. Great music. Great talent. Burton Cummins, Randy Bachman from Bachman Turner Overdrive. I'm not sure if Randy Bachman was one of the original members of the Guess Who, but I think he was, and then they went off and did Bachman Turner Overdrive. I do believe. I think that's how that worked. Not really sure. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Leave me some comments. Like and subscribe. I appreciate that as well. And we'll move along to the next video. All right, so like I said, let me know what you think about this. I love the Guess Who. I love 70s music anyway, Southern rock. So let me know. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you.